everyone, so welcome back again to another video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you a small video of गांधी जयंती। तो जहाँ पे हम लोग ने स्कूल की तरफ से मतलब रामपुर का एरिया जो है वहाँ पे डस्टबिन और कुछ प्लांटेशन करने के लिए मतलब गए थे। तो चलिए देखते हैं, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते
हैं। Be the change you want to see in the world, right? So we are doing this because we want to see India clean, but for that we also have to see that we do our part. So we are going out to make people aware of today, because today is 2nd October, that is celebrated at Gandhi Jayanti, as well as we are also celebrating it as Swachhata Divas, right? So it's our duty to make sure that we are doing our part and trying to aware the people around our school, so they will be aware of keeping their surrounding clean. If we can keep our surrounding clean, so slowly if everyone is doing their part of keeping their surrounding clean, their city clean, as a whole the India will be clean city, right? So that was vision of Gandhiji, that was again initiated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Again he is initiating a second round of this Clean India event. So I think if they are taking their lead, then it's our responsibility also to see that we are doing our part to see our surrounding is clean. As a whole, our nation will be clean. Okay, so that is there. For that we are going to the nearby market, that is Rampur. There will be distributing some dustbin that is recyclable dustbin, because we use the oil tin, that means the tin that are used to contain oils, like edible oils. So that we have used, we have to color it, make it beautiful, so that it's recycled and reuse. Actually it's not recycle, it's reuse, because we are using it again. Otherwise it would have just thrown somewhere, but we are using it so that it used again. And dustbin, everyone will be aware, in the nearby markets, when we go and see that people are not aware of the use of dustbin much, they are not caring much. They think that okay, this is not my part, I have to not keep my area clean, this will municipality will do that part. Okay, but what I feel that each and every one have their responsibility, and we have to make them aware of that their responsibility. So for that, keeping that in mind, we are going for this event, and we hope that with our help of our students and our teacher, will do good in our event. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next, wait for the vehicle.
कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गूंथे खोली तूने ही खिड़कियां, वह काम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तूने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया।
बराबर करेक्ट मिलना चाहिए। असली रियल में तो 1.5 में ज़्यादा देना चाहिए। बड़ा वाला तो अगला सकता है। नहीं है उसको देने से बड़ा अच्छा होगा। अच्छा जरूर काम में आके देखने वाला है।
और वो पेड़ लगा दीजिएगा साइड में थोड़ा। नहीं हो जाएगा।
तुमसे ही आशा इरादों के बसते तुम्हारे मुट्ठी में गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तुमने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया।
बान मटा के जय हिंद जय